the mercy of price action.
Price moves how it wanna move. Ain't no code, just a shifting groove. We follow trends, we play the plan, but price controls the upper hand. Real traders steady with the traction, but we all still at the mercy of price action. We at the mercy of price action.
Real traders don't pretend it's fate. Price don't care if you're early or late. It fakes the high, breaks the low, then stops you out before it goes. You can plot the fibs, draw the trend, but price will still do what it intends. It don't read charts, it don't care about your feelings. It'll sweep both sides once you start chilling. Ain't no shame in respecting the flow. Ride the wave or get caught below. This ain't guessing, it's navigation. But every trader's in the same situation. We at the mercy of price action.
Price moves how it wanna move. Ain't no code, just a shifting groove. We follow trends, we play the plan, but price controls the upper hand. We'll trade steady with the traction, but we all still at the mercy of price action.
We at the mercy of price action. Real traders keeping the levels right, supporting resistance day and night. But the truth is raw, ain't no guarantees. Lighting candles and praying on your knees. Indicators help, but they lag, not lead. It's price action, that is the king. You can prep for a bounce, set up clean. If only we were word from the future like a machine.
I'll be back.
Price come back, set your stops, define the risk. Don't get caught in the market's twist. Emotions loud, but price is clear. Patience, discipline, that's how you steer.
At the mercy of price action. We are price action. Every candle a test of trust. Every move could build or bust. Adapt or fold, it's your reaction. Cause we all trade at the mercy of price action. Don't fight the chart, don't chase the pump. Don't get lured by flashy jump. Plan your trade, then trade your plan, but know that price got its own hand. Stay sharp, stay small, stay ready to pivot. The market don't care if your last win was vivid.
Price moves how it wanna move. Ain't no code, just a shifting groove.
Mark your chart, stay prepared, but remember one truth: we're all just passengers.